think of you and me, I see the past, the present, all will be. You came to me a spark out of the blue, and brought adventures, memories so true. Our love has grown, it's changed us both inside. Two souls united, a love we cannot hide. You're my anchor, my guiding light. With you my world feels so right. You're my anchor, my guiding light. With you my world feels so right. You're my heart, my forever and more. A love so deep, it's what I'm living for. Through every storm, you're my calm, my peace. A bond unbreakable, it will never cease. In your arms, I found my true place. Forever yours in love's sweet embrace. You inspire me to dream beyond the skies. Together we've soared, hand in hand we'll rise. Your love's a flame that burns so endlessly. Through every twist you've set my spirit free. My present is loving you day by day. You've shown me love in the purest way. Our future shines so endlessly bright. With you my dreams take flight. You're my anchor, my guiding light. With you my world feels so right.